Irrigation Business back with a video for y'all. This is gonna be the I'm gonna open up the AMP-3 Scout and I'm gonna show y'all what's in it. You can go on the website amp3.net and see what it comes with, the list and everything for yourself. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out, and show you how it's packaged in there, and just show y'all what it is. Really, just go through a couple of the things, see it from a buyer's point of view. You know, just from not even opening it right now. It's very economical kit, very thin kit. You got a highlighter right here, just a standard, you know, I'd say half-inch highlighter. You know, it's probably 2 of those width-wise. I mean, it's a very compact kit, and definitely will be put in a nice home. So let's go ahead and open this up and go through some of the contents, shall we? Very quiet opening, opens very easy. So let's start off with this. Right here you'll see we got some medical tape, just medical tape, and over here you have like a, let me see what he calls it here. It's a self-adherent wrap. I just call it a wrap, but this is a latex-free self-adherence wrap, and this is some medical tape. Also, he doesn't have a video of the Scout up yet on his channel, so I'm just going to go through this real quick. We have 1 pair of black nitrile gloves. We have the irrigation module, which comes with 1 irrigation syringe, 1 irrigation tip and shield, 2 betadine pads, and 6 alcohol pads. So I'm just going to open this up real quick, go through that. See, and all the paper that's in here is right in the rain paper, so it's field safe. We got a what is this? It's a 10cc millimeter turbo syringe without the needle. You also get the splash shield, and here is your iodine prep pads right here, and here's your 6 alcohol prep pads right here. This is what comes in that module. Okay, what we have in this is the wound care module right here. This module comes with 2 2x4 fabric bandages, 4 1x3 fabric bandages, 5 butterfly bandages, 2 moleskins, 2 triple antibiotics. So let's open this one up and see what's in it. Now, I don't know what moleskin is. I've heard of it before, but if I had to guess what it was, I would say this is the moleskin. I would say this for like blisters and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and empty everything out of this package. Real quick. Alright, again, right in the rain paper. These are the fabric bandages right here, 2 of those. You get 2 moleskins. I can't remember if that was 1. It's 2 antibiotic ointments. 5 butterfly bandages. There, you can see them, the butterfly bandages. And you get 4 just regular bandages, 4 regular band-aids. So that's the wound care module. I'm going to have to keep backing up for this. That's the wound care module. Right here, this is I'm not going to take this out of the bag. This is a triangular bandage, and it comes with 1 triangular bandage and 4 safety pins right here. So we have that. Then we have 4 3" by 3" latex 3 sterile pads. We've got 4 fresh scent antimicrobial like hand cleaners. 4 of those. They kill 99.9% of germs. Brand name on those is Paws. Okay, and then we have the admin and tool module. You get, excuse me, you get 4 Right in the Rain papers, 1 mini pencil, 1 mini scissors, 1 precision tweezers, 2 splinter outs, and 1 duct tape. So I'm going to go through this real quick. Go ahead and take the items out. As you can see right here, these are the mini scissors. Meritac mini scissors right here. And he has put some heat shrink tubing over the tip to keep it from puncturing the bag. So we have a mini pencil right here with some more shrink tubing. Just put over the end of it. You just wiggle the shrink tubing back on the tip of that, and that protects the pencil from puncturing the bag. I'm just going to go ahead and dump this out of here. Give me 1 second. I can't get it out. Alright. Next thing we got 4 pieces of Right in the Rain paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got some duct tape on some wax paper, I'm guessing. I'd say it's about 15 inches of duct tape, maybe 15 inches of duct tape. Very handy for lots of different things. Also, in this little baggie here, we have 2 splinter outs. Right here, 2 splinter outs. I'm not going to open these up, but he did open one up on his video. It's just a small lancet. Stick it up under the splinter, and work the splinter out. He says that these are really good, so if I ever get a splinter, I'll be using these. I'll definitely be buying some more of those. Also, we have some Uncle Bill's silver grippers right here, tweezers. Uncle Bill's silver grippers, really nice fine tweezers. You can never have too many tweezers in your bag, in your medical kit, because you can use tweezers for everything. There we go. Just like that, and they go in there. You can put them on a keychain, or you could maybe hang them on the outside of your FAC, or leave them in the kit where they're intended to be. But this is the Uncle Bill's Silver Gripper Tweezers. That concludes the admin and tool module. And last but not least, the only thing left is going to be the AMP-3 Scout bag, and in the card here. This is in a lock sack bag. Don't know what size this lock sack bag is, but and right here on the back of this card, if I can pull it out without messing it up, right here you get a 5-line evac and injury note medical info card right here. Here this is location, communications, severity, patient medical info, treatment provided, personal medical information, in case of emergency, pertinent medical information, and it's got all your address and stuff like that. Down here it's got a centimeters and inches ruler printed. Certain things you may need to get a measurement, or you may just happen to need a ruler, and there you go. It goes to 10 centimeters or 4 inches. So that concludes this, guys. For $24, you get all of this, plus whatever the shipping is going to be to where you live. I think my total came out to like 26 something. It wasn't very expensive, and I think I got more than $26 worth of material. So I really suggest you guys go and buy one of these. This was the one kit that was in my price range, but I do plan on picking up more now that I do see the quality. And when you actually get in and look at it, you can tell that time was taken to build these. It wasn't just thrown together. So I'm going to step back here real quick. And there you go, guys. This is the AMP-3 Scout from USNER Doc. Go and check it out. Maybe pick one up. Y'all take care, and have a nice day.